Hi everyone. So a lot of people are trying to use Loop, but when they sign in, they get a prompt to say it's not available in their organization. So firstly, let me just sign in, and then I can show you the page it's showing. So let's just do the two-factor authentication here, and there we go. So Loop is not enabled for your organization. So what we need to do to get this ready is to firstly log into 365, and then go to the admin panel. And then we want to make a security group. So then we can enable your people, your staff, access to Loop, or kind of limit it to so many people for a testing environment first before we roll it out to everyone. So if we type in a name for this, Loop users, and then create the group. Since we've created the group, we've now got to add ourselves into the group. So if you just find the group, go members, it's probably best to add an owner to the group. So pick yourself out of the list. Um, and then now we need to add people who's going to be able to use Loop. So we just go to members and then add members, and then you need to add yourself again as well. And then while you're there, you might as well pick people who need to use the app as well. Right, so we've now got the security group. We now need to go to config.office.com and then hit sign in and then go to cloud policies. We don't have any policies at the minute, so we now need to make one. So we can do enable loop. Okay, so the scope is everyone in a specified group. And then if we search for the group, we search for loop. So grab that, press next. Okay, so there's loads of policies here, so we don't want to scroll through here and find them, so we're just going to go and use the search bar at the top right, and then now we're just going to go and select enable for each one of these. Right, and there we go. So press next, press create, and then now we've made our loop policy. Right, so after a couple minutes, I've now just refreshed the page and Loop is now ready for me to use. That's all you need to do to enable Loop for your organization. So any questions, let me know down below and see you next time.